ate video zange single okubeera ozibeeramu waliwo video gye nakola ey'emmere wagiri. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Calvin. Hey, this video is so short. My mom convinced me that it will blow, and if it doesn't blow, as long as I get 1 view, it has blown. But hey,
you will get many views.
You heard that from her. Yeah? But hey, I already started. I added some bananas, cassava flour over here. Yeah, I already threw the banana leaves and the trash. Yeah, sorry for showing you guys my trash, but yeah, the banana leaves are over there. I put some butter, cooking oil. Say hi to mommy.
Hi.
She was angry at me, yeah, but right now I'm starting to understand, and I'm coming down. I'm understanding. Thank you so much. Yes. Hey, now it's boiling a little bit in oil. If you guys need a longer video, I will make that one for you guys next time. But for right now, yes, I'm just showing you the things you need. Oil, pans, something like this, cassava flour, don't forget it. Something like 6 to 5 bananas. And you can put some sugar if you want, but you don't really need it. Some baking flour. And you just need to flip them so that they fry uniformly. These are the ones we already finished. They are looking amazing and delicious. These are still cooking. I still have to make this. So some of you guys may be wondering how to make this circles. I have this cup over here. I just put this on the dough, on the thing, any flat surface, and then I can fix another one over here. And then we remove this. I like the video. See how it's coming out? Perfect. Like this, we put it back here. These ones are also almost ready. So the Ugandans know. East Africans know, bro. This is called pan. We call this pani. The white people call it. I don't know if the white people make it as well, but yeah, that's the black people. Some of us make these things, but I'm pretty sure you make